We'll try to configure BGP using a user mode Linux. So user mode Linux is without using a Docker, we are trying to execute Linux in the application side, and we are creating two root file system, and we can create a network setup. So you can see the previous videos to create a root file system, how to compile Linux in user mode Linux, and then you can come to this demo. So I have the setup previously whatever we executed. So if you want to know how to enter the prompt and do other things, you can see the playlist. So now we have R1 and R2, so which are created by compiling Linux in a user mode and creating a root file system and using a BRCTL utility to connect. Here I have used UML net. You can see the OSPF configuration to do these setups. Here I'll just show the configuration in BGP. Show running router. Quantity router BGP 100 network. So BGP is not running, you need to execute it. So Zebra is running, OSPF is running. To run BGP you need to run this. So this is for creating running Zebra, OSPF, management to assign IP, then run BGP. Same way the other side also you can run. Now you can see if BGP is running. Now you can start. Quantity router BGP 100, neighbor 10.2 is 100. Responding unique redistribute connect. So that this is the overall configuration. Other side also will create. Device router BGP 100, neighbor 10.10.10.1, remote AS 100, trust family FV4 unicast, redistribute connect. Now we see. So if it's running an FRR, it has redistributed 2 routes. We will see an IP route BGP. So this is BGP route, this is OSPF route. Here also route BGP, show IP route OSPF. So both the routes are learned. So for this you don't want more number of Linux machines with a single Linux machine, but you need to compile the Linux kernel which acts as a Docker. So you need a file system also. You need to create a file system, then compile the Linux kernel, and you can use this setup for debugging. You can change anything in Linux kernel to execute, and you can test it very easily. As well as in root file system you can add any busybox images or FRR image, and you can test like this. Thank you.